Duh. Decoding the dismissive exclamation. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a short yet expressive phrase often used in casual conversations. Duh. It might sound simple, but it packs a punch in terms of its meaning and usage. Let's get started. Duh is an interjection commonly used in English, especially in informal contexts. It's typically used to express 1. Obviousness, when something is so clear or evident that it shouldn't need stating. 2. Impatience or irritation, when someone says something that the speaker believes is obvious or already known. 3. Mockery or sarcasm. Sometimes, it's used to tease or mock someone lightly for not knowing something or stating the obvious. For instance, if someone says, "Hey, did you know that the sun rises in the east?" and you reply with, "Duh," it means you're pointing out that this information is obvious. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how to use it. 1. Response to an obvious statement. 2. A. Rain makes things wet. 3. B. Duh. 4. Teasing a friend lightly. 5. A. I finally realized that 2 plus 2 is 4. 6. B. Duh. Took you long enough. 7. Expressing self-mockery. 8. A. I just searched my entire house for my glasses, and they were on my head the whole time. 9. B. Oh, that's so something I would do. Duh moment. Note: while duh can be fun and playful, it's essential to be aware of the tone and context. You wouldn't want to sound rude or dismissive unintentionally. It's always fascinating to know where words or phrases come from. The term duh has been around for a while. It likely emerged as a mimicking sound of someone thinking hard or being clueless. Over time, its usage shifted from representing slowness or confusion to highlighting the obviousness of a statement. So, there you have it. The next time you come across a super obvious statement or have a playful moment with friends, you might find duh to be the perfect response. We hope this video has shed some light on this fun and cheeky exclamation. Remember, as with all language, context is key. Happy learning, and until next time.